Did you bring it?
No, you didn't.
What? I hope you fall down these stairs.
I'm already afraid of these stairs. Imagine Brandon's right there. That'd be scary. They just turned the light on. He's like, turn the light off. And I'm gonna be like, what the fuck, man? I'm taking this.
Okay.
Will he notice? Because there's a chocolate one right there.
I don't care. You can have it.
Not calm. That's all I'm getting. Because it's creamy vanilla frosting.
Creamy, just like mine.
Whoa.
How do you want to do it?
Ding, 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 so hard. I'm so spent. Why didn't I bring the...
That's what I got.
Oh. We forgot to do the kitchen.
Exactly. There's your not slump it then.
Womp womp. I'll just have to stay in the night.
Exactly.
You know what? I'll just have to live here.
Damn.
I'll just have to live here.
Is this a shirt? Okay. I was gonna put it in the trash. I don't want to get up though. Just wait. How you like that cream? You like my cream? Is it really good?
What would you want? No answer.
Can I try some of your cream? This cream is really good. I think you're gonna get some sticky stuff on my cream. It's really sticky for some reason. Go get the googly eyes. The googly eyes.
The googly eyes.
Yeah.
Should we put this on? Should we put on something here?
Anything. Mustard. Something that they actually use though. They don't use mustard as much. First victim. Mustard.
It won't come out. You know what I mean?
It does that. You have to kind of like remove some of the excess
From the tip.
From the tip. And then you have to squeeze really hard on them. Ow. Yeah, you have to twist it. Did you twist the tip?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's coming out now. Just one?
Yeah, just one big ass googly eye. What is something they use the most?
Find something in that drawer. Or actually, strawberries.
Gonna add 2 big ass pies. Imagine Brandon comes in and just helps us. He's like,
Wow.
he's like, oh, are we trying to pray? Your mom?
That's gonna be like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Go to bed.
I'll be like, wanna join? Wanna help me, Jordan?
You wanna help me, George?
Whoa! Hey, jerk.
Off
my nuts. I think we're being a little.
We are. Just say snack break and then.
It's good for motivation.
Yeah. Put it on here.
Should I
Put a big one on here and then put a 2 small. Or no, put 1 big one on there. On the top. Sounded like you squeezed out your nuts.
It's good for motivation. If you get in trouble, tell me it was mine.
Yeah, we won't get in trouble. Does that? Here, let me help you.
Oh, perfect. Help me, guys. I'm being insulted.
No, wait, on the raw cucumber?
I'm putting it on the sticker.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that looks so. Oh my god, that looks scary. We may have some classic ass shit for dinner again. We may have something that involves ketchup for dinner again.
And this will be the last one.
It's the last thing you're adding it to?
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like a war on.
It does.
One big eye.
2 little eyes.
One thing that's big. And one small.
The key, dude.
One big ball.
That's okay. It's perfect. I love that.
There. Googley.
It's creamy.
Where's the cheese go? Where's the cheese go? I'm done. Okay.
We're done.
Gotta close this so it doesn't squirt everywhere. So it doesn't squirt all over me. There. Take that. I have to carry the tablet. Hey. Come on, you're coming with me. So, is that all we're gonna add to the video? That's all. Go fuck yourselves.